Hi everyone, welcome to AU 2021. I'm Ethan Kang from Forge developer at the Berkeley and support team. In this light talk, I will quickly show some useful tips of advanced Revit model built in Forge. First, let's look at the Revit model aggregation. Last year, we have a blog post from my colleague Peter showing how to aggregate models in Forge Viewer. Today, I will show you how to do this with a Revit model. Use a Revit link concept. This is a default alignment of the Forge Viewer center to center. But as you can see, the aligned result could be different. That's because Viewer is using the center of the model bounding box, but Revit is using model geometry center. Here is the code snippet we use to align two models by center to center. We don't need to do anything, just call the function load a document node twice. And next is origin to origin. The code has a little different to center to center one. We need to apply first model's global set to the second models to make them called origin, just like this line. The next is using Revit shared coordinate. We also call it a rift point alignment in the viewer. Here we extract the transform matrix of a rift point from the AC model data, and the rift point value will be the global set. Viewer will calculate the placement transfer upon those values for us to align models in Revit shared coordinate. And now we'll discuss about how to list our Revit link info from a concept of a Revit model. No matter the way we translate the composite Revit model, by zip or by bin Swiss link files feature, the model object structure, host, and the links will be flattened and mixed with the host like this right side. So if we want to know which object is from the linked Revit model, we can take advantage of the AC model data and the object's external ID. All required data is extracted into the property DB and the AC model data. We just need to some tricks to reorganize them. As you can see, here is a Revit link ID for the link document, and here is the link Revit object ID. We can use them to do link content identification. And here we can get the link model's name from its property by using the external ID. And now let's use a real sample to demonstrate this idea. We have a host architecture model and others are links. I wrote an extension following this idea I just shared. And you can see we can tear them apart by hovering or a mouse click on the panel item, just like this way. And now we switch to the AEP. And then let's switch to the furniture model. And next we'll talk about Revit group in the viewer. In Revit, we have a group like left side, but after Forge translation, we cannot select object by group. The group structure has been flattened, so how can we select object by group in the Forge viewer? To achieve this, we need some data from the model. The left side is the group data viewing via Revit API. We can get a group member like this way. Here. And the right is in the Forge viewer. Here is the property data of the same group. So with this, we can rebuild a group relationship in the viewer. Here is a code piece of my extension using the advanced property query. The left side is to find out the group, and the right side is get the group members. here is the demo. We can hover or click on the panel item to select and identify group and its group. It is group members by mouse clicking, just like this. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your listening. And if you are interested in my source code, you can learn more here.